Okay, what is a collage? Well, if you looked it up in the dictionary, it would tell you that it's a piece of art made by sticking various different materials, such as photographs and pieces of paper or fabric, onto a backing. What we're going to learn today in this tutorial is how to make one of those digitally. Okay, you're going to take some pictures yourself, you're going to find some images, and you are going to digitally make a collage. To really get an idea of what collages are, one of the first things you can do is Google search Ville Simone's. I'm not sure if I've said her name right, but if you have a little Google search of her work, you will see some of the fantastic collages that she has created using ripped up and torn images, paper and books. Okay, she's done them as physical collages that she's stuck down on paper. However, if you do another Google search for digital collage artists, there are also some fantastic collage artists that use digital imagery and collage them together digitally. We're kind of doing both of those things in that we're going to make a digital collage, but we're going to make it look like a physical collage, one that has ripped and torn pages. Here are some digital collages that I've made, and I've combined some photographs that I took. So that picture of a book there I took as a photograph, and this picture of these coloured elements here, that's a photograph that I took of a bowl that I have in my house, with a photograph that I found on the internet of this man, and I used Photopea to edit them together to make it look like they are torn pieces of paper, just like a collage. Here's another one. A lot of these though have been taken from pictures that I found on the internet, so none of these are photographs that I took. I found all of these images on the internet and used Photopea to edit them together to make it look like I have torn pieces of paper and stuck them down. Okay, right, I'm just going to take a quick photograph of a load of different things that would look really good as part of my collage that I'm going to make. So I've collected up a load of clothes that have nice patterns and textures on them, and I've found some bits of paper and colourful items, and I'm just going to go around and just take a few photographs that I can then use to edit together into a collage. So the next thing you want to do is add to the photographs that you've taken any other elements that you think would be needed, that you think would make the collage fantastic. For example, if you weren't able to take photographs of a real person in your house, then type portraits into Google Images and save a portrait of a person that you want to include in your collage. If you couldn't find any interesting patterns or textures, type in texture into Google Images and find some textures. Click on patterns and find a nice pattern and save a couple of them. It could be that there are colours that you want to use in your collage. So colour patterns, okay, and save a few of these. So you're going to collect together a series of photographs that you're going to take, and then go onto the internet and find some other images that you want to collage together. Okay, so remember, you need to collect a variety of different images, ones that you've taken yourself, photographs of colours and fabrics and textures and books, and collect up those with images that you find on the internet, things that you can't take yourself, like peacocks, peacock feathers and flamingos and faces. Okay, collect those together, have them together, and then I'm going to show you in my next video how to use Photopea to edit them all together to look like a digital collage. Have fun!